This video will focus on the histology of the cochlea of the ear. On the model, you can see that the entire inner ear is embedded within the temporal bone. The structure that we're going to focus on today is the cochlea, specifically the spiral organ of the cochlea. There's a separate video that will walk you through the gross anatomy of the ear. If we were to pull the cochlea out of the model and bring that forward, we can see that we can open this model to reveal the spiral organ. The spiral organ matches what we can see on the histology. On the histology, we can see that there are chambers that will be filled with fluid, and that fluid will vibrate and move nerve receptors or auditory hairs that the auditory nerve will be able to perceive. If we move to a higher magnification, now we're at the 10x objective, we can see the inner structure of the cochlea. We can see that at the intersection between two chambers, there is a structure right here that's associated with the nerve fibers, and these are called hair cells. So this is the spiral organ, or the organ of Corti, in the cochlea of the ear.